Today's Thursday, August 26th. This is the 1969, 1 year only Cadillac DeVille convertible steering wheel restoration for my friend Richard in Texas. This is video number 3 out of a 3-video set. This is a full level 10 restoration, and I'm going to be doing a functional validation test showing how the rim blow steering wheel facilitates the actuation of the horn vis-a-vis the inside perimeter rim blow horn switch. Okay, this is a beautiful fully restored unit. It's been several months in the making, and in this video I'm merely connecting it to power and showing how the horn actuation works, indicative and as depicted by the light bulb coming on. So I'll go ahead and test each of the quadrants, and I'll squeeze the steering wheel ring and you can see how the light bulb comes on, indicative of the horn actually blowing, providing electrical continuity to the horns. Come over to the other side, turn the steering wheel, there we go. Switch hands, there we go. So this is the 1969 1 year only rim blow steering wheel functional validation test, whereby we've demonstrated how the horn actuates by squeezing the ring as opposed to the horn pad. In 1969, it's a 1 year only design, whereby this beautiful horn pad, the TriStar horn pad, is merely a cosmetic non-functioning horn pad, and the horn actuation is facilitated by the squeezing of the ring, which we've just demonstrated. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts from 1967 to 1970, over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, including this 1 year only unique rim blow design for 1969. The instrument clusters, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Thursday, August 26th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.